Hey guys, hello. So today we are trying to look at Perl programming. This is for some of my friends who wanted to go over Perl. Now I am not a Perl expert, but I just wanted to share whatever I have learned over a period of time. This would be few sessions. It will be couple of videos which we will try to post. The intention in these videos is gonna be to learn Perl, not the standard way, the way you go to a tutorial or something like that, but try to understand and include the best practices from the day one. What I have seen is coding is not like walking or something where you take first step, second step, and all, but once you get a brief idea, you should be able to quickly run with it. So, but some bad habits which you pick up over while learning a language, they stick with you, and you always try to cut corners when you are under pressure. So try to learn it with the best way. Okay, so I have a setup here. I have normal Perl. You can download that Perl if you are from repository. I think all Linux actually come with a Perl, built-in Perl. If not, you can download a Perl package. If you're using Windows, Strawberry is the best thing. Assuming you have all this set, let's start doing the Perl programming. We will be using Notepad++ to start with it. The first line of your program is always going to be the interpreter which you will be using. Okay, you don't know what is the default interpreter, you can always search for which Perl. It should give you user in Perl. So we'll try to use that. Normally this is used on when you do not specify a Perl package. Like if you are running, suppose if you're running it like this dot slash dash or a dummy file, right? Dummy underscore script.pl. The hash line which you have the hash line which you just specified here will be used to run the Perl. We don't do that normally, but it is always a practice to do that, so we are keeping with it. Okay, the second line in your program is always going to be a package name. And see this, the first, and I don't know if you have noticed it. This had a hash. Hash means it's a comment. That's the first line, and it's always a comment which has the interpreter in it. Okay. This the second line is the name of the package. Package is nothing but like a structure or a class in Java. Okay. And if you noticed, we gave package name as main. It is exactly similar. This is the package which will be called when you call this particular script. Okay. Always one, always one for compilation success. Okay. So that's pretty much it of your program. This is the program which you can always have. I would suggest you give better names to your programs, because as you start writing the programs sooner, you write so many that it becomes difficult for you to track these. Okay, so now Notepad++ knows it better. It is trying to give some color to what we are doing. Okay, what will happen if you run this? Let's see it. Let's try that out. So the best way to do it, Perl hello world.perl. Nothing. Did it actually compile properly? So -c is the way you compile it. So it means your code is correct. What if I remove this semicolon here? Still work, because that's the only line in it, right? So let's try print perfect hello world. Now the other last line actually came in, so we'll put a slash n here and let's see what happens. Now it looks much better. Okay, you could actually do this is also. So this only does for print. There are many things. Perl is really simple in many ways and really complex in other ways also, but it is one of the best thing a system administrator can have, or at least the application administrator. Okay, now I have tried to remove the comment. Let's see what happens. It says number found and operator expected. So those are the errors. Okay, and they're not looking so great. So always try to use these two Perl modules as default practice. What these they do? These are the standards. They will kind of induce standards on your program. Okay, always try to make sure that these two are included. Okay, that's it for now. I think you saw what we just covered. The first line always has to be a comment. It will have the Perl path which needs to get called. Package is the name of package list, like a class. As we go further, you will see different ways of it, but it's like kind of a more of a structure which tries to keep your program together. Use is the way more like we used to use hash include in C and imports in Java. So you call these Perl modules into your program, and print is the way you print it. Okay. Then we saw how to compile it. Hyphen C always compiles your code. Without hyphen it runs your code. Well, hash is a comment. If you want multi-line comment, you can always use equal to begin and equal to cut. So anything you write between this is a longer comment and it will still work. Okay, so that's it for now. I think we have covered enough ground for the first session, and I would just like to end this on a note that please don't be scared of programming. Programming is easy. You just need to bend your mind a little bit to do that. Once you start doing it, it saves you a lot of time and it gives you a lot of opportunity to do something great things in your life rather than spending your cycles on mundane routine job. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you.